Welcome back guys, in this video I'll show you how to stabilize your really shaky footage in just a minute. No, this isn't clickbait and we're also not gonna use the warp stabilizer, but a more powerful method. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see I have this video here and it's very shaky, so we're going to take care of this. So first of all, select your video, then go to animation, then Tracking Boris FX Mocha. Now select this icon. And now we're in the Mocha plugin and all you have to do is zoom in a little bit by holding the Z key and move around with the X key. Now take the X-Spline tool, this one from here, and just draw a loose shape around a static object, which in my case is this set of propellers. Now if you want to close the shape, just press the right click and the shape is closed now. Let's also rename this layer, let's say propellers, and now let's drag this footage by clicking on this arrow button. And this was not supposed to happen. Alright, I'm back, so let's track again the footage. Alright, and it's done. Now select this button, which is the planar surface, then make sure you select this one, which will extend the planar surface, and now you can close this, but make sure you save it. Alright, then toggle down the tracking data and choose the create track data. Now make sure you select your layer, and in my case it's the propellers one, and press OK. And now go to the invert option and check the box right there. And then for the layer export, make sure you select your video. And that's all. Now select apply export, and as you can see our video is nicely stabilized. Alright, and you can see that we have some black spaces now, so we can press the S for scale and scale this up. Now let's crop through this video and let's see if we have more white space, and apparently not. So let's see how it looks, the final result. Yeah, so that's the final result. It's looking pretty good. You can see there is some distortion right here at the bottom, but taking in consideration that we've done this in only just 1 minute, I think the result is pretty damn good. Alright, so that's it. If you like this video, make sure you leave a like, it will mean a lot to me, and talk to you soon. Bye.